Ka Sorkar jela hak arpunyo tarik nai wieng kala ai ka jingmynjur ban pyntreikam ya ka Meghalaya Journalist Welfare Scheme 2024. Habakren sakilap thai kubor hadin ka jingalang jong ka kinhun menteri ka bakmi ya ka Trans Information and Public Relation ka kong Amprin Lingdo kala ong. Menta kani ka scheme kan sedang ban terekam no bat ngisngokmen bangin sa pentip syaki parlok nong thok kubor nakapor syakapor hakabaya day bat kila jingmentoy lingba kani ka welfare scheme. Katkum ka jimpen pao ka jongka na kalyang ka Sorkar kan sedang ban penterekam no ya kani ka scheme nadu ka shitarik no pra arazar arpsang. Kalau ongru baka ni ka day ka jingkerpat ka balas lambahan na kalyang kinong thok kubor ka jela. Kila don lupa ki benta jong ka Journalist Welfare Scheme ka BS-RIM ka Journalist Welfare Scheme jong kisnam ki baladam. Kumta ka nuksa shwa kani ngila don ya ka Journalist Welfare Scheme ka batang shilak tingka na ka benta kitu kinong thok kubor ki baklan. Kidon ru katu ka niki rule ki badan kam habakwa banyo ya ni ka song jingaram. Kumta ka ka bangi ong hangni kalong baka shilak tingka hakani ka jong kadai ka badang duna palan. Kumta ngilapun kiyo ya ka sya kasan lak tingka kala ong. Hakabaya day baka jinglit sumar pangru kala ong bagi nong thok kubor ki badan ya ki jingpang ki bajur kinyo ban shim sanpa wajar tingka haka scheme ka barim henry menta lapun kiyo sya kalai lak tingka. Nalor kata ka pentip ru baka komiti balat hau da ka Sorkar ban pej ya ka jingpen terekam ya kani ka scheme batkan sarai ya ki rukom terekam jong kani ka scheme. Ha bakeli ka menteri kala ong. Ngisngau kia ru ki nong thok kubor ki bala penrong kerteng ki badan kam ya ka jingpai kaman bat ki badan kam ya ka jingaram namar ka jing syakri ka bakila ai habaro ka jing jongki kum ki nong thok kubor.
Approval of the Meghalaya Journalist Welfare Scheme 2024. It shall now become operational, and we are happy, and we will keep the press fraternity informed from time to time about what would be the various components of this particular welfare scheme. This has been a long requested facility by the press fraternity. There are already components of the Journalist Welfare Scheme which are like the previous year's Journalist Welfare Scheme. For example, before this, we had a Journalist Welfare Scheme of just 1 lakh for the loss of a life of a journalist. There are certain rules that also need to be conformed to when you want to avail this facility. So what we're saying here is that 1 lakh in this generation is inadequate. We have upscaled it to 5 lakhs. Now, in terms of medical treatment, journalists facing acute health problems were given an opportunity of availing only 50,000 rupees in the previous scheme. So now we have upscaled this to 3 lakhs. Like that, we have also got other components of the scheme. We will disclose this to you as and when the committee sits for the first time, because it is now entrusted to the committee to decide on the modalities of the operation of the Journalist Welfare Scheme. We are also very, very concerned about the registered accredited journalists who need attention and who need assistance because of the human service that they have engaged with for all of their journalist life. So therefore, we will leave it to the wisdom of the committee to take a call. We are looking at a support fund for veteran journalists who are deserving to receive this fund. Modalities of this are all chalked out. We are looking at the practice that is there in other states. We will replicate positive practices. But I hope that the press fraternity is jubilant for this, because this is a long demand that you have put before governments in the past. It is only now that we are finally in agreement. We have received cabinet approval to go ahead with this particular scheme.